Goeiedag, good day. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope everything is going well. Vandag se woorde wat ons gaan oefen hou met die tema verband my huis. Today's words we're going to practice is related to the theme my home. Nou, ons gaan hierdie 2 keer oefen. En elke keer gaan jy die woorde na my sê. You're going to practice it 2 times and every time you're going to say the words after me. Are you ready? Okay. Bank, mat, televisie, bed, venster, tafel, stoel. Baie mooi, well done. Ons gaan dit nog 1 keer oefen. We're going to practice it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Bank, mat, televisie, bed, venster, tafel, stoel. Baie mooi. Well done. Ek hoop jy het 'n lekker dag verder. I hope you have a lovely day further. Totsiens.